Welcome to the barbecue walk of flame and to another video where there ain't no barbecue. On a brighter note, the hours of daylight are getting longer and very soon we'll be advancing the clocks 1 hour forward to BST, British summertime. But in my book that's barbecue summertime. I for one just can't wait to get my Webbecue out of winter mothballs and fired up again. I've got some cracking recipes lined up for the summer, which I know you won't want to miss. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, click the button and the notification bell, and I promise you, you won't miss a thing. It's thanks to Matt Tebbett for this barbecue sauce recipe. It's a little gem with an amazing taste, and it's going to be my sauce for the summer. It's quick, there's no cooking. And yes, it can be made in minutes, providing you have a blender or a food processor. Here is a delight for your taste buds. So what are the ingredients? They are garlic, ginger, soft dark brown sugar, black treacle, hoisin sauce. I'm not quite sure how it's pronounced. I've no doubt someone will correct me. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, dry sherry, ancho chillies, and Chinese 5-spice powder. Now there is a little bit of preparation to do first. With one of my favourite gadgets, I'm grating 3 cloves of garlic. Now here's a tip. If you find things are sliding about on the worktop, put a tea towel under them. Just look at all that lovely garlic mush. So that's my 3 cloves of garlic grated. Next, I'm grating a knob of ginger. This brilliant grater makes light work of it. That's the ginger and garlic grated. It's now on to the chillies. They've been soaking in warm water to rehydrate them. I'll just drain the excess liquid before I roughly chop them and remove the stalks and most of the seeds. I'm leaving just a few for texture. The ancho is a poblano pepper which has been dried. In this form it has its own name. Ancho in Spanish means wide. These chilies have a unique flavour, slightly earthy, smoky, with mild heat. And that's the chilies chopped. So from now on it's a case of chuck everything into my Magimix. As I'm making only a small quantity, I'm using the small bowl. In goes the grated garlic and ginger, plus 30 grams of soft dark brown sugar. How often have you completed a dish only to find you've forgotten one of the ingredients? And that's why I'm using a checklist. The 3 sauces: 40 ml of hoisin, followed by 20 ml of oyster and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Two tablespoons of dry sherry, the 2 ancho chillies, and 1 teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. And finally 1 tablespoon of black treacle. Now you can't hurry this stuff. It goes at its own pace, so just be patient. I'll use this tiny spoon to scrape every drop from the measuring spoon. And that's everything ticked off. Give it all a good whiz to blend until smooth. And that's all there is to it. Here we have one delicious, dark, tangy, fruity barbecue sauce. For a smoother sauce, just run it through a fine sieve. This sauce can be stored in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. But it is so good, I promise you, it won't be around that long. Well, that's all for this time. So until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.